Assalamualaikum. Welcome to ASMAS kitchen. I'm Asma. Today I have a really exotic drink to share with you, that is mango colada. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. Right, let's get started with the recipe of mango colada. 2 mango diced, 2 scoops of mango ice cream, cream 1 tablespoon, sugar 4 tablespoon, coconut milk 1 cup, juice of 1 lemon, it's completely optional, and ice 1 cup, and strawberry syrup. In a blender, put diced mango, then add a glass of coconut milk, then cream 1 tablespoon, juice of 1 lemon, and it's completely optional, sugar 4 tablespoon, and in last add ice. Cover its lid and simply blend it well. It's done. Fill your glasses 3/4 of it. Then add 1 scoop of ice cream in each glass. And in last, pour some strawberry syrup over it. And it's ready. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in description. Give thumbs up if you like this recipe. Leave comment below, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe ASMAS Kitchen and don't forget to click on bell icon. I shall see you soon with another exotic recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.